Welcome! Today we'll go through the simplest way how to print an Excel sheet on one page. Let's start. Hello and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Maria and together with our EasyClick team, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. To print a large Excel sheet on one page, go to File here at the top and click on Print. You'll see print options open up, and now you can check how many pages the data from the spreadsheet take up. Here, the page count is 6. To make sure all data will be printed on one page only, go down here and in the menu on the left select Fit Sheet on one page. Everything will show on one page only. If needed, Excel can fit all columns or all rows on one page too. You'll find these options in the same place. Here we'll go for Fit Sheet on one page and we'll move on. In this case, it's good to rethink the page orientation options. Which one would be more suitable, portrait or landscape? This data table looks much clearer if printed on the landscape format, so we'll go for that one. Well, the last step is to hit the Print button here at the top, and there you go. The whole spreadsheet will be printed on one page. If you'd like to learn more life-saving hacks when printing an Excel sheet, have a look at the series of video tutorials on how to print an Excel by EasyClick Academy. The links to these are in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the EasyClickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.